Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to delete temporary files on Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To delete temporary files from Windows 11 computer, right click on Start menu, click on Settings. In left pane, click on System and then click on Storage. Here you will find temporary files. Click on temporary files, and if you want to remove temporary files, you can remove temporary recycle bin files, Microsoft Defender antivirus, delivery optimization files, downloads, thumbnails, and temporary files, Windows error reports and feedback diagnostics files, temporary internet file, and DirectX shader cache file. Just select all from this and then click on remove files. Now click on continue. The temporary files are deleted. This is the easiest way to remove all temporary files from Windows 11 computers. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.